Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In this video, we're going to be installing the Puig brake and clutch reservoir covers. I love these things. They're billet aluminum, they got little bits of red there. They are perfect, no issues with leaks or anything like that. So grab a T20, grab your, in this case, the brake fluid cover. I wrap it in a towel in case there's any pressure here. Loosen these 4 bolts up very carefully. Just get them loose, and then you can kind of just back them out one by one, bit at a time. I just don't want this to leak out too aggressively. So we just kind of do baby steps. Now we can come all the way out. I'm not seeing any leaks. You're gonna, as you pull these out, you're gonna move them over to the other cover. You are going to move the OEM bolts over, which I actually like that. Prefer that. Okay, grab this, break that free. Oh, we got a little bit of fluid there. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Just catch it. Now you are going to keep the this cover in place. Make sure everything is where it needs to be. And then grab this, move it over. Make sure you're not pinching anything, and then just start bringing that down. Very, very simple install. If you've removed a brake fluid cover to change the fluid or flush it, then you can easily install this. I'll link to them below. Bought these full price. They're beautiful. They have a little bit of pizzazz. I think BMW will sell you their billet covers for significantly more. Don't torque the shit out of these. Just finger tight. Be a good citizen, and then clean up after yourself, and you're all set. Same on both sides. Do your brake and your clutch cover. Should you have any issues, I don't really know what to do for you. All right, all set. Sorry my hand was in the way of some of that, but that is the result. Clean up your fluids, and have a good day.